On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that have no casual breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Good morning. It's Monday. What is going on? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. What's going on? How we all doing? Let me Clark Kent this shit and say good morning. Happy Monday to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. What is going on? What is going on? How was your weekend? Did you spend a lot of money? Black Friday. I know you guys were out there shopping, getting your trading views, getting your deals. Well, we do have a Cyber Monday final sale going on right now. And I gave the wife the credit card and she spends less than me, so I needed her to justify my spending, so I told her to go shopping yesterday. Well, I spent most of my money on golf stuff, which is pretty bad. Golf stuff's like crazy expensive, like fucking stupid, like really, really expensive. Like it is ridiculous just to go around and chase a ball that you lose. They're like $5 balls. Like it's just not it's such a smart business, right? Like you think they'd put GPSs on golf balls, but they're never going to do it, right? Because all of mine end up in either the lake, the forest, Narnia, that one. I'm very good at saying 4. Let's keep it that way. How's it going? How was your weekend? Did you guys trade this weekend? And are we going to dump? Oh, my God. What is going on? Ooh, looking for the long, baby. Looking for the long. Oh, my God. Are we going to continue to get rocked? My God. Panic. What is this? This is the car salesman thing, the thing that's flailing. Okay, everybody panic. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. Let's say good morning to everybody. Gang. Mad love to you guys. And how was your weekend, my friends? How was your weekend? Did you trade? Did you eat too much turkey? Did you spend all your money on Black Friday? Some of you guys did. Yeah, see? Touch grass. I got some golfing lessons. They were like $400 for 4 lessons. I mean, if you think about it, like $100 an hour, and it's Canadian pesos, so like, you do the math. I mean, hopefully you guys all had a wonderful, thankful, and grateful turkey weekend / Thursday it was, right? So mad love to every single one of you guys. Hopefully you had a great weekend. I'm looking along here, but like I don't like this. This is chopping me up, and I don't think I'm gonna take it. Triple bottom, money coming in. I want a long here. I want to long here. I'm telling you that much. I do. I'm gonna regret this. It is Monday. I am going to regret this. I'm not gonna long here. Are you guys getting long here? Put a 1 in the chat if you guys are getting long. And make sure you guys are saying good morning. Alex, I'm still banned from the Discord, and I want to join the members thing. We'll let the members decide. How about that? Guys, should we let Ludwig Astroven back into the Discord? He has been, I think the mods put the guillotine down. You guys let me know. It's a democracy here. We're just... The number 1 rules are be kind and don't be a douche canoe. I made the rules a long time ago. They're in stone, and they can be judge, jury, and executioner, as they call it, right? Lotmo Crypto, good morning to you. Goldie Crypto, hope you're doing well. Good morning, Otter, says WF Motivation. Little Fish, what's going on, my man? Good morning to you. Smash the like button, says Goldie Crypto, and forget about it, says let's get after it relentlessly. Good morning. My favorite bias towards funniness. Friends traded too, but lots of touching grass this weekend. I know what you're talking about. Let's effing G. Let's go. Tony Soprano in the chat. What's going on? I did change the memberships, so it's like $2 a month. It's the cheapest I can make it, so you guys can get all the emojis. Okay, I just want you guys to all be able to have emojis. That's kind of how it is. Okay, so hopefully we can definitely get you guys all pumping those otters and those emojis and those good things, okay? What's going on? Paul Caruso, good morning to you. King Beaver and the gang. Let's go. Trey Spot, good morning to you. Ludwig, good morning to you. Hey, team, what's going on, Michael? Man, I told you we're going to regret this. I told you we're going to regret not going long here. Oh, my God. Come on, Bitcoin. Let me know if you are long there. Big Neswarin, good morning to you. Guillaume Marcal, good morning to the gang. Let's go. Anakin, what's going on? Otter, gang. Stay high. What's going on? Welsh Jesse in the chat. What's going on, my brother? Maureen, good to see you as well. Good morning to you. Thank you so much for being here. I told you we should have gone long. Golf for rich sugar daddies. I don't know. I'm a dad. I mean, I wouldn't say I'm a sugar dad, but I'm definitely a dad. But yeah, it's not cheap. Good morning, Blair Stevenson. How's it going? Good morning to you. Good afternoon from Kiev. Good morning, Shepard. Good to see you. Blair Stevenson, Paul Caruso. You're not a gopher. You're an otter. That's it. On the golf course. GPS golf balls would be cool. Yeah, absolutely. Good morning, everyone. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, always supporting the channel, always putting nice comments in the videos, man. Thank you for doing that. Massey, thanks a lot. My wife heard that about the credit card. Uh-oh. Massey, tell me you didn't buy XRP. Did you go and buy XRP? Let me know. Massey, I think Massey was having a little bit of an anger spree about his XRP yesterday. Not anger, but I think just a little bit of a buyer's remorse. I don't know. I told you guys this on Friday. You're going to regret not buying some things. You're going to have, you're never going to do this perfect, especially with spot bags, okay? We got to manage risk, take advantage of price action, use our TA to give us an edge. But at the end of the day, this crypto, baby. This is crypto. I mean, we all would have liked to buy that stablecoin XRP. Look at the narrative we had for XRP for the last year. Stablecoin. Now it's like, hold my beer, right? So that opposite view is really going to help us out. Aaron, good morning to you. Crypto Michael. I traded mobile, made $30 profit in a few trades. Awesome. Good job, Mo. Good job, Michael. Man, good to see you. Good morning, guys. Go check out Crypto Michael. Darren does things. Good morning to you. Good morning, gang. DDT in the chat. Seymour Liddy, what's going on, my brother? Good to see you as well. Joe Bell, did Bitcoin dump again the second time today? Yeah, it's been traveling down. It's been traveling down. Actually touched grass. Let's go, Kai Dragon. Mad love to you. Joe Bell, one in the chat if you guys are currently in a long. Oof. You guys are in this? I'm jealous. I said I was going to regret this. Oh, man. We're going to have to look to re-enter. We'll see. This is kind of ugly. We zoom out a little bit here. We have some key levels below us. Okay, we have an order block above us and VWAP. So we'll see. We are sort of traveling down here very aggressively. I think there's still one more. Golden pocket, 93.6. Okay, looking around there. And we'll see if we do get that, that push. And we do have VWAP coming down here. So big order block up top. Okay, we'll see if we get some sort of rejection, only to then continue to the upside. Larry told his friends, I'll get you it for 93, bro. I'll get you it for 93, man. Don't worry. I mean, who knows what they're doing, man? They probably doing shit like that, right? So, Larry, man, I want to get in on this corn, this Bitcoin, and looking kind of expensive right now. You mind just, don't buy it today. What's the bet, man? What a good price to start. DCA into XRP should bought 30-cent range. Might not ever see that again. Probably not. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's go. Ludwig says he quit drinking 2 weeks ago. The otters need to vote. Maybe we'll do a vote to let you back in. They have to make the decision, not me. This is a democracy, right? Democracy. Oh, man. Good morning to every single one of you guys. Look at all the amazing people in here. Mad love to all of you guys. Tony Soprano, what's going on, man? Oh, Buck, good morning to you. Avram, good morning to you. Good morning to you, Chicken. Good morning, Alex. Chicken 1%. I like that. Oh, I've been checking you out, man. Oh, man. Aaron, what's going on? Crypto Birdie. Drew, he apologized for being a douche cruise ship. That is pretty good. A douche cruise ship. Man, look at this thing popping off from this long, man. Press the long button, says Paul. Press the long button. Franco, good morning to you. Joe Bell, I'm long. 5 Bitcoin trades, different entry levels. Let's go, Joe Bell. Mad love to you. Wayne C, what's going on? Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Michael Saylor has bought again. This guy's like fully committed. That's good for all the MicroStrategy holders. Man, I'm going to have buyer's remorse. Here. Bull div. Trigger wave. It was all here, Alex. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up. My God, did I miss it? I definitely missed it. Come on. You know what's the funny thing is? I was long from here, the first one, and then I got out for the live stream. Okay, I'm not lying to you guys. I can show you guys. That I was long here. And I got stopped out at entry because I started the video up. Look at this. 94.9 right here. 94.9. I was long. Okay? Then you press record and you got to go and talk to people. See, this is the thing. As a trader, maybe you don't want to start a YouTube, man. I was in it. And I closed it to go and yell at a camera and a circle light that's blinding me and a whole bunch of people. Okay? And that's what you do, right? I was in it. Little drop in soul. Yeah, absolutely. That's good. We'll see if we can get up to the VWAP in here and get rejected down. I am looking lower, 93.9, but this would have been a nice scalp. And that's just how it goes sometimes, man. You guys are more important. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Mad love to you guys. 12K says, Massey, I bought XRP today, probably a big mistake, says Joe Bell. Uh-oh. Jeffrey Stonecipher. Mark Dutch, what's going on? Mark Dutch, well, you can be the deciding factor. Mark Dutch, you are in charge of Ludwig Astroven. He wants to come back. So Mark Dutch can be the clog in your life. I want a helicopter too. Let's go. I think we'll leave it up to Mark Dutch. We won't see. I could leave it up to Tony Soprano. But if Tony Soprano has the choice, you know what he's gonna do, right? You're not gonna have another chance. You're gonna get the feed to the pigs or the concrete boots. So at least we didn't throw you to Tony. Blockchain Basement, what's going on, man? I saw your video this morning about potential like big numbers coming into Bitcoin. Make sure you guys watch his show this afternoon. I believe it's at 12 o'clock. Blockchain Basement, amazing channel. These guys are awesome people, man. Love this guy, Druth, and my God, go and check out his show. I believe it's at 12 o'clock. Mad love to you guys over there, man. I believe it's at 12 o'clock. I can't put your stuff in the description. We'd love for them to go and follow you. My God, why didn't I get long this morning? What an idiot. Oh my God. I did get long. I swear to you guys. I did get long, and this is what's happening. Oh man. Do we have to FOMO in at the top now? Pele Photography, good morning from Transylvania, Romania. What's going on? Do beatbox. Boom, boom. No. Aaron Chang, good morning to you, man. Good morning to you. Oh, man. RS Miller, good morning, man. How's the stream going? You are always my stream updater to make sure it's a smooth stream. I keep getting ads from Newton and an exchange for a Canadian. Is it new? Anyone use it? So for me, the best exchange, Maureen, in Canada is NDAX. That's the exchange that I use. Newton has a lot of choices, but their fees are pretty astronomical. I would use NDAX. That's the one I use in Canada. Okay? NDAX is really good. Also, I did, there is a video I have here that I watched on the best exchanges in Canada, okay? And I can share that with you in the Discord, okay? Look at this thing flying off the handle this morning. This is going to get everybody excited. We're going to have buyers coming in, so it should be interesting. Mad love to every single one of you. We got Anakin in here, also known as Darth Vader. Mad love to you. 70% crash. Xena, good morning to you. Slam Banjo. Carlos, good morning. Just realized while I was joining the group yesterday, someone gifted me a membership here. Awesome. Welcome, man. Welcome, Carlos. So now you can throw lots of otters in the chat. Mad love to every single one of you guys in here. H-Bars pumping. Let's go. LJ, Tyson Prosper, good morning to you. One Harmony, good to see you as well. RS Miller, it is all a dream. I used to weed. Sorry, but if you're a douche when you're drunk, you're a douche in general. That's Tony, man. It's totally. That's why we didn't leave it up to Tony. Are you blaming us for getting out of the long? Yes, I am, Paul Caruso. I'm totally deflecting my own emotions here. It's hard to like. Okay, so I got to. You fire up the stream. You fire up the software. You share it on X, you share it in the Discord, right? You turn on your light, you turn on your camera, you make sure everything's working, your trade is on, and then you're like, Okay, now I got to start. I got to go and yell at people. So, I mean, in that midst, I mean, you could manage risk here. Of course, you could, but I I don't know. It was questionable for me to just hold this while talking and not being able to really manage my trade over here. So, yeah, it wasn't your guys' fault. It was my fault for not having faith to face to boom do 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 do. Man. You're okay to buy XRP. Everybody's just never seen so many XRPs on X in my entire life, man. Paul Crusoe, mad love to you, man. Mad love to you, bro. Good to see you guys. Thank you everybody for being here. Avram, also here, Romania. Let's go. All you vampires out there. Bitcoin to the moon, 100K today, says Joe Bell. That would be pretty crazy, man. Sulin, good morning to you. How about Coinbase? Coinbase is okay, but the fees are pretty extortionate. Okay, Coinbase, if you want like a more selection of tokens. Okay, the stream is going great. Thank you, RS Miller. Morning to you from Malaysia. Awesome, man. Awesome. So many people in here. We can all get a bit douchey. Absolutely. Entry on the retest previous high. So yeah, we got the previous high here. We can look for the bounce and continuation. For me, not yet. Not yet. A little bit of patience. We'll see. Okay, we'll let him in. We'll let him in. Ludwig apologized for his behavior and promised to be a polite otter in the future. He said he quit alcohol 2 weeks ago, and I think the otter gang should encourage that. Get him in. Okay, so you have been accepted into, but Tony Soprano's next, man. I really don't mind hitting the refund button. Like it's a very simple button. Oh man. So there we go. Giver's gain. I do believe in second chances. Good morning, Mel. Good to see you as well. Mad love to you guys. Mad love to you guys. Maureen, I was gifted a membership last week, but it's gone. Was I bad? So what I did is I changed the membership so they're the cheapest ones now. Okay? I'll give away some today. Here you go. Just so, don't want you guys seeing all my numbers. And there you guys go. So that you guys can get the cheap ones, unless you want to pay more and support it. But there you guys go. Happy holidays, whatever. Now you guys better throw some otters in the dang chat, man. Okay, I want to see otters like never before, okay? Look at all these memberships, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so I wanted you guys to all be able to get these memberships. So I deleted all the expensive, like the $5, the $10 ones, and I only have the cheapest version of them on here. So you guys can all get memberships. And hopefully you will eventually get a membership. We got 160 people in here and 60 likes. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. We have an amazing Discord if you didn't know. And today is the last day that you will ever have to sign up for $15 a month. Okay, so this is big. Cyber Monday sale, the gang. Okay, so this is the last chance. It'll be $15 a month, and it's going up to $40. Okay, there will be sales in the future, but it won't be ever at this price ever again. Okay, and this will stay forever as your price point unless you cancel. Okay, so Cyber Monday sale, the last day is today. No ifs, ands, or buts. I am not the bendy person who says, okay, I know you missed it. It's Wednesday. You wish you got in. I don't care. Okay? Prices go up. So this is the last day to join the membership. Join the gang. You get trade signals by me, Kyle, Brewberry, Thesis. Okay? An amazing Discord with amazing price and amazing people. So it's pretty incredible. It's pretty incredible. I want to pay Binance, bro. I don't have Visa, and that's the problem. Is that I only accept Visa or PayPal. We do not have any crypto payments available because you got to keep it on the books, and they don't like that. Okay, unless it was like an NFT, but that's down the road. We're not at that stage as of yet. Okay, so join the Discord. Would love to have you. If not, come into the free section, hang out with us. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Happy Monday to everybody. R.S. Miller gifted 50. Holy shit. Holy shit. R.S. Miller, let's go. R.S. Miller. My God. Do I have to read them out? I think so. Oh, man. I wish we got long. I'm getting a little bit buyer's remorse here. Sign up, sucker. You'll be glad you did. Can I purchase the monthly for $15 too? It is showing full price. I can enter, and I can't enter any Discord code. So it's only for the 3, the 6, and the 9 months. Is that Discord for the YouTube channel? Yes. Yes, absolutely. Little Fish, my man, my man. Congratulations to Abram, Joe Bell, Inglis, Altcoin Ace, The Dusty Hunt, Black Ice, Wild Deuces. Says, whoa. Oh, man. Blocky, Josh Walsh, Manny Man, Cryptomar, Chris F, Bully Barry, Soundman. Tom Crown was gifted a membership. My man. Tom, why didn't I take the long, bro? I needed your oomph, bro. I needed your oomph. Trader Geo's in the chat. My man, Brewberry's in the chat. My God. All these amazing people, man. Thank you guys so much for coming through, supporting the channel. God bless you guys, man. God bless you guys. And thank you, R.S. Miller. My God. This guy's flipping over rocks, man. You never know who's watching, so you always got to have that's the thing. You got to just have integrity. I don't think it really matters who's watching. You just got to be the same person every day in and out. I mean, there's a lot of fugazi in the industry. Oh, man. So we're watching VWAP here. We should have taken the long. I'm blaming the stream setup for getting out of the long. Coming up into this order block here, VWAP rejection. Okay, we'll see how it reacts. We're not chasing price here, okay, guys? But thank you so much, R.S. Miller, for the chats. Now everybody can absolutely put otter schlongs in the chat, which is pretty crazy. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel. I really appreciate you guys, man. Oh, man. So many good people. Frank Fit for Life, Wild Deuces, Nets Post. Good to see you guys, man. Trader Geo. We got Brewberry in the chat as well. Scheitstrowski, I love that. Henrik, what's going on? Life in AI. The Red Nugent. This has got Blood's in the house too, man. Blood's in the house. Why doesn't Blood have a wrench, man? Why doesn't, I don't know. He's got to say something though. He's got to say something. My God. I felt the spice, bro. I totally felt this morning. I felt the spice, man. I was like totally. I mean, it was a little bit. It's hard getting into a trade at 8 a.m., man. It's like, oh, am I seeing things clearly? Am I? Like, am I really? Like, triple bottom, bullish divergence, money flow coming in. Like, it was all there. Trigger wave. Oh, and just a little bit of a. I pressed the trigger. I pressed it. It was just starting it off the stream, and I just didn't want to start the. There's one thing that like ekes me. It's starting the day off, starting the week off with an L. It's like, and it would have been such a nice little win here, man. Had the entry and everything, and I got scared, man. So we're coming up to the order block here. VWAP coming down. We'll see if we do get a reaction up in here. But looking at, the medium-term time frames, which is really the only reference point we have after such a beautiful carpenter candle, meaning the hammer candle that we got over the weekend here, that we have a potential balance opportunity here. Now we are looking for the December low. That's what we're looking for, right? So we have the beautiful weekly hammer candle that should push us up eventually. A perfect little wick test in here, okay? Which is a great scalping strategy, but a wick test is typically your price comes up, right? And you can see here, it's 3 candles and you get a wick test here. And this is a perfect little entry, typically scalping, okay? Scalping, it's called a wick test, okay? It's used by Trades by Matt. He's a very good scalper, okay? One guy I do watch for scalping, and I've learned a lot from, but he does a wick test, and this typically comes back. It tests the wick, and then it continues in the direction that it tested in, okay? So we are looking for the continuation out here, even though that this is a weekly candle. Can we get above that 100K? But we like the hammer time, baby. We closed quite nicely for a nice hammer candle over the weekend. So now we're seeing, where is this low going to come in? Because typically, if you watch Eric Crown, or you know that the December low comes in first, and then hopefully we get a little bit of a move to the upside, clearing that $100,000. Okay, so looking here at the daily, what can we see? We can see the red dot, okay? Everybody's like petrified now, VWAP rolling over, but money is still very strong, okay? So yes, any correction back down is to be noted, okay? That's why I'm looking a little bit lower into the golden pocket in here around 93,400, okay? So I'm looking a little bit lower. We'll see if we do get that. We are currently getting not a rejection, but, continuation down here. I would like to see like some strong structure here, really mitigating some of these lows or these highs up in here, right? So these need to be taken at some point. So we'll see how that goes. But for me, a little bit of patience will prevail, especially on a Monday when you were too puckered to take the trade and you knew that Tom Crown was watching. Good morning, Tom Crown. Mad love to you, brother. I mean, you guys better be subscribed to Tom Crown. And I highly suggest you go through just his trading course for beginners. You can see that I've actually looked at some of them as well, because it's always good to be a beginner all the time. You're always going to be able to learn something, and you're always going to be able to apply something differently as you develop as a trader, okay? So watching a video now versus, a year ago or 2 years ago when I was watching Tom Crown, it's very important to rewatch certain things to kind of confirmation bias, and also like you develop as a trader. Obviously, watching price action for allotted periods of time, you become a lot better, but you can also see things a lot differently. So tons of free, amazing videos. Like the quality, I mean, I can't handle this shit. And his voice, like when he says Gina, okay, I'm done blowing smoke, man. I love you, bro. Is Gina quitting, by the way? Oh, man. Tom Crown, I better see you at Bitcoin 2025, bro, and give you a big squeeze. No way. I hit 4,600 subscribers yesterday. That's incredible, man. Oh, man. I feel too blessed. 46,000 or 4,610. 4,610. Thank you, Tony, man. I know it's crazy, right? It's crazy when we were just, doing Pilates on the balcony, trying to get a good internet connection in Australia to this. Mad love, Tony. Thanks for putting that out, man. God bless, bro. God bless. Hopefully everybody's having a good morning. Wick 589. Mr. G, good afternoon, brother. What's good? Good to see you, man. Dutchy, what's going on, man? Bully Barry, stay high. Would've, could've, should've. Absolutely stay high. Don't really matter. I was scared too, says Remo. See? We're all human, man. We all make it's not a mistake. At the end of the day, no position sometimes is a good position, okay? Is a good position. So join us in the Cyber Monday sale, the final sale. Someone said look at the general chat. Let me see if they're talking smack. They're just crushing the trades, man. Crushing the trades. That's amazing. Mad love to every single one of you guys in the Discord. Come and join. Black Cyber Monday sales. It's the last day for the sale. Hopefully we can help you on your trading journey, keeping it nice and cheap and nice and clean in our Discord. Look at this thing popping off, stalling out here. So for me right now, this is trapping longs. Okay, this is very, very clear. I'm gonna get rid of this because I'm getting a little bit of revenge trading feelings just looking at the trade that I was in, and I'm gonna reset. It's always important to reset. A short-term memory is always good in trading, managing risk, okay? So as we flip through the catalog here on our daily, we can see that, hey, man, we do look like we're coming out. And, you know, anytime we did get that red dot, we did get a little bit of a correction here. So, you know, correction, maybe, and then we go, okay? So nonetheless, this is still hella bullish. We can see dominance is coming down as well, which is very nice. We see XRP. Everybody knows XRP. Algorand, ISO 200, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 222 coins. I don't know what they're called. HBAR, all that are all doing really well. Obviously, institutional money likes those coins. So we'll see. So this does look like it's coming out. The 3-day did print the other day as well. And we were looking for the VWAP to come back up into the zero line, and it did not. Okay, it rolled over a little bit here, so we still got a lot of room here on the VWAP for price to come back in. Okay, as we reset on our momentum wave. So keeping that in mind too. Going into our 12-hour, what do we see? Right, this is concerning. Right, you get your double top and then your trigger wave with VWAP coming out. Okay, so we are looking for some bottoming structure here in our VWAP today. That would be ideal. And then for price to push back into the zero line here with money staying beautiful and momentum curving to the upside. But for now, this doesn't look too pretty. We can definitely see, you know, the bear div up in here with the trigger wave, right? Bear div trigger wave is never, it's never a fun time, especially in a range. Right now, we are trending to the upside. So, you know, give or take, this could be either detrimental or just a little bit concerning, right? So the bear div, the trigger wave, right? The bear div, the trigger wave. So cautious money coming out as well. Okay, even though we are pushing up right now, we're coming into some resistance, possibly looking for a short right here. We'll have to wait and find out if we get the reaction we want, okay? We want to see VWAP stand tall here and act as a barrier, but we'll have to be patient, okay? The 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. So these are what I typically base my trading off in the mornings. And we can see here that they actually have some hopium, right? So we haven't come down to the point of control here, but we do have a nice shelf of volume coming in around 93,000, which is very, very nice. So we can see here swing low to swing high, pulling the fib here. We can see that we have our beautiful golden pocket area that we are interested in, okay? And we do have some order blocks and liquidity below us, right? But the golden pocket does line up with one of our key support and resistance levels in here as well at 94,800-ish, okay? So we're looking for this to hold. We'll see if it does hold. If not, we'll short it down to where it does want to hold, okay? But I do remain bullish. I do remain optimistic about this push up to 100,000 until proven otherwise, and we see clear structure being broken below us here. So yes, we're looking in the Discord for this kind of ABC corrective pattern. Can we come into here, or are we going to put in a higher low, which would mean continuation, in my opinion? So right now, it's very much a if this then that situation, right? So we take advantage of short-term price action, and then we look to manage risk along the way. And clearly, we were right this morning, but that's nothing to write home about. Okay. So let's see how it goes, and continue to take advantage of this. So the 4-hour does look like it has some juice to the upside, even though money has crossed out. We have VWAP pushing up, and we can look for this sort of trigger wave pushing to the upside. Flipping to our 3, same story. A lot more hopium in the 3-hour, and then it just gets a little bit better and better and better as we get to our 2-hour, right? Money's still green. VWAP crossover to the upside, rounding of our momentum wave. Our 1 hour, same kind of deal here with the green dot. VWAP crossover, money coming over the zero line. Okay, so there's some hopium in here, but what has happened? We have clearly lost key levels. Okay, so we are putting in higher highs and higher lows over the weekend. Beautiful flag out. Everybody was bullish, buying peanut, right, and going to the upside. Now we're getting a little bit of a pushback, but we rolled over here. So we have broken structure. What we should be looking for is this before this, okay? And we'll have to wait and find out and position ourselves accordingly. Now, this week is a very interesting week, in my opinion. We do have quite a bit of data. You can call me data, but we have manufacturing coming in at 10 a.m. this morning. But Tuesday, we have jolts, and Friday is a big doozy. Chair Powell, okay, that's where you go and watch Tom Crown do his Fed Chair Powell speech, okay? Make sure you go over there and check out Fed Chair Powell on Tom Crown. I'm sure he'll be streaming that. But Friday is the doozy, okay? We got non-farm payrolls. We got unemployment. Those are going to be very, very serious readings because they don't fudge these numbers at all, right? That's like Canada saying our GDP is strong. Yeah, right. Oh, man. Anyways, so we do have a bunch of nonsense that we need to be aware of so that we don't, overexpose ourselves at these times to be at risk when trading. That's it. That's the only reason I look at these, because as a scalper, it'll hit 10 a.m. and we got news and it'll just go blah, 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 blah. And then you get wrecked, right? So I'm just aware of them so that when they happen, I can just either stop loss to entry or take my profits and run, or just not trade, right? And let the dust settle and then go from there, okay? So we always want to be prepared that way. So the 1 hour does look juicy, crossing over to the upside. However, this is continuation down. So let's be cautious here. Going over to our 24, you know how it is. We got money coming back in. We got some nice structure in here, that lower lows, bullish divergence pushing us up. We're out of the long, and we're regretting it. So let's see how it reacts over here on VWAP. We do see continuation up here. VWAP's getting a little bit overextended. We got lots of room on our momentum waves to the upside, and we are stalling out here. This to me looks like they're trapping longs, okay? Everybody's waking up here to trade the open. They're getting long here. I would expect something like this, okay, before any real move to the upside. So I would expect something down in here. And we can wait for some established highs, and then we can pull a fib. Generally, we're going to be looking for a retest of the previous highs in here. And hopefully we can get that reaction. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Want to shout you guys out. Thank you guys so much for being here. Mad love to every single one of you guys in here. Board PC guy, Tom Powell, coming nice. We always love Tom Crown for the cheer pair. I always watch Tom for that. I got enough subs. Subscribe to Alex O Crypto. Oh, Tom, thank you so much, man. Nah, man, you've paved the road for new content creators like us. You gotta. It's not kissing the ring, man. It's just mad respect, man. Once you've done this consistently for years, you're like, man, this guy's been doing it for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. You're like, my God. I am still in peanut. Yes, I am still in peanut. Hopefully it does push up. Right now it's not looking too good. I am still in peanut. But it's only, like, you guys know me. I'm not a big swing trader. So I'm risking like $150 to make astronomical gains on a meme coin, right? Astronomical gains. Be the Panda, what's going on? Good to see you. Wick 589, mad love to you guys. Alexandra G in the chat. Mad love to every single one of you guys in here. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Crypto City, 200 viewers. Don't be a lurker. Smack the like button. Laurent, can you have a look at Polkadot? We don't typically look at altcoins in the morning because we are, this is where we make our money every single day. We do look at altcoins sometimes, but this is like this is what I do generally as every morning, and then I just started to decide to live stream it. But we're here to take advantage of price action, and I don't want to miss another one. Don't want it to get away. But Polkadot up and to the right. Okay, up and to the right, probably coming back to retest some key levels. Let's take a look here quickly for you because, you know, we try to cater to the masses. Yeah, we got a nice dot trade here. If you joined our Discord, I mean, we had a dot trade from here and a dot trade from here. Absolute bangers. So right now, range bound. You can take down, maybe screenshot this, take down some of my key areas, right? And you're looking for Polkadot to find some support within this area here. So you have some key areas in here that you can add to your charts, and hopefully that helps you on your trading of Polkadot. But it looks strong. All these boomer coins look great. Okay. I'm looking to hold key support here and continue to push onwards and upwards. Pardon me. What's up, homie? Says in my hero. What's up, buddy? Good to see you. Frank Fit for Life, Joe Bell. What does VWAP mean? VWAP is a volume weighted average price. It's used by a lot of traders. So it's the average price for the day. You can use anchored VWAP, which is a bit different, and you can anchor it off of key pivot points like a weekly anchored VWAP. But the VWAP is one of my favorite tools. Volume weighted average price, and then I have standard deviations off of that to kind of let me know when I'm overextended, which I use on a regular basis. So it's like one of my favorite scalping tools. It's good for intraday trading. There is a resource section in our Discord where we have tons of stuff that you can use to help you. And I think VWAP's in here somewhere where we were talking about it right here. So VWAP is the average price. Sorry about the flashbang. That's bright. Price of security as traded throughout the day, weighted by volume. It resets at the start of each trading session. That provides insight into both the price trend and the value of the securities, right? So it's giving you basically an average price. If you want to go into the math, you can. But, I mean, it's giving you this line here, and it resets every day. So if I'm pulling it up over here, the red line here, you can see it reset at the beginning of the day, and then it resets and it resets, okay? And it'll give you the average price. So if you're under the VWAP, you're typically looking for price to bounce off of it and continue in a downtrend. If you flip the VWAP, okay, and there's strategies around the reaction at VWAP, you can see how it acted as support over here in an uptrend. Once we crossed the VWAP, it acted as support, okay? But once you flip it, if you flip it aggressively, it can flip to support or it can act as resistance. Okay, so it's a very useful tool. It does take some getting used to and some interpretation as you go. Getting a little pushback here. I'm not convinced on this yet. Okay, we have bear divs up here. Yep, bear divs up here. Sweep of the low, little break of the low here. I would look for a continuation back down. Okay, now that we have some significant highs, I'm going to go from impulse up to high, and then we're looking here. Okay, keeping it very simple here, looking in this general area this morning, coming back up to VWAP, right? So we're looking to take trades into resistance, into the VWAP resistance. We did not fill the order block above us, right? We have a clear as day order block in here, okay? And we're looking to fill that order block into VWAP, a nice little scalp trade, right? Bouncing off the golden pocket here, overextended. Retail's buying this. Okay, they're going buy. They're going to sweep them, and then they're hopefully going to continue upwards into this area, and then we'll have a better kind of decision where I'm looking for a confluence into a possible short. Okay, so we'll see how it goes, but this is how you use it, right? It's a magnet. So now that we've gotten away from VWAP, we look for return to VWAP. Right? If you're bouncing off of VWAP, you're looking to return and get rejected off of VWAP. So a very useful tool if used properly, right? And I got the standard deviation bands, which will give you areas of where if you're getting far away, overextended, you're looking to return back, okay? And this gives you nice scalps back into VWAP. So many ways to use it. Many ways to abuse it, okay? Let's see if we do get this push up in here. Got a little bit of a bullish engulfing hammer candle here. Bullish engulfing on the 1 minute. No. Okay, pushing back. We'll see if this wants to continue. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for being here. We got over 220 people in here, 83 likes. Thank you guys so much. Happy Cyber Monday, Black Friday, Turkey Day, whatever it is. But if you do want to join our Discord, I would love to have you over there. $15 a month. Cyber Monday sale. The last chance is today. Okay, the last chance is today. Maybe I should stream all day long, but come over and join our beautiful Discord full of like-minded people. No douche canoes, okay? But you get my setups, Kyle's setups, Brewberry's setups, and Thesis's setups. My God, Thesis has been on fire lately. My God. It seems like there's like a rotational effect within our traders here where I'll be on fire one weekend, Thesis will be on fire, then Kyle, then Brew. And then we do a live stream. Brewberry does 5 a week. I do this one 5 a week, and then I do three in the Discord. So it's a tremendous amount of value, hopefully helping you guys on your trading journeys go from some more profitability, obviously. And the more eyes, the more community, the kindness of the community working together. No one's always right, but we're always right together kind of deal. And it is an edge having a good community. So we would love to have you over there in the Discord. Cyber Monday sale. Come and join us. We'd love to have you. Okay, stalling out here. We got about 40 minutes till market opens. My God. Let's say good morning to everybody who's here, who is lurking. RS Miller with the 50 Alexo Crypto membership. Shout out to the members and shout out to you guys for being here. Mad love. How are we all doing this morning? Did you guys trade this weekend? A lot of you are saying you traded this weekend. Too much turkey on that tryptophan. You guys were probably all relaxing. Mad love to you guys. Oh, spent money on Black Friday. Yeah. Touched grass. A lot of you touching grass, man. 30% of you. I went out, but it was -7 yesterday. Welcome to Canada. -7. North of us got a meter of snow. North of us. So Brace Bridge. Yesterday got a meter of snow. Sorry about that. There's no pictures. Where's the picture? That's lame. Welcome to Canada, man. Welcome to Canada. Look at this shit. Storm buries parts of Ontario. Imagine waking up to this. This is life in Canada, baby. I love it. I love it. You guys like snow? Put a 1 in the chat if you like snow, and not that snow, okay? A bit too much mad love. Take the mad love and shove it. That's quite rude. Mad love to you, man. Flo still needs his coffee, I think. Are they okay? Has anybody seen the XRP haters? I'm looking desperately. I mean, the one thing I never did was bash XRP, so John Doe says, "Are you gay?" Mad love to you, John Doe. Joe Bell, I lost $100 on a bad Bitcoin entry. That's okay. Did you manage your risk? That's the question, right? So you should have invalidation points. I think a lot of traders, they think they care so much about winning here rather than managing this part here. Okay, I think that's the most detriment you can do to an account is play with this too much, okay? You need to have clear invalidations. You have to have clear risk management. You should only be risking 2% of your account per trade, okay? And you should always be looking to be as cheap as possible with your stop loss, okay? So if you're managing risk, you're giving yourself a good opportunity to be successful. If you're not, you're not going to give yourself enough reps, right? You want to be able to take all those reps and really maximize your learning from them, right? Good morning. Quick $70 short on Sol from 22 to 25. Love making money in 20 minutes. That's it, man. Awesome, Dave Collins. Good work, man. Alexandra, the OGGG. Good morning, my sweet friend, says Melissa. Tony Soprano, number 2. I hate XRP. She treated me badly, says Dave Digital. What's going on, man? What's going on, Dave Digital? XRP sounds like LeBron fans. It's so true, man. Be the Panda. Alex, what are your top 3 coins? Top 3 coins, Injective, Celestia, and I'll go by what I hold, right? Arbitrum, Fetch AI, Sui, Tia, Near, Render, Link, Injective, AVAX, Solana, no more Ethereum, and Bitcoin. I still have like seven Ethereum, but I'm definitely gonna sell them soon, man. I'm gonna sell them soon. But yeah, that's the portfolio, man. I have quite a bit of Tia, quite a bit of Injective, quite a bit of Render, but I mean these are all like Render I bought at $3, right? So you gotta understand where people bought. Like I'm looking to get a 5x out of my portfolio, right? So it's quite a big portfolio, but I do hold Bitcoin as like that stable kind of anchor in my portfolio. But yeah, I think AI is going to do really well once they stop buying dinosaur coins, as they call them, right? I think AI will do really well. And I've been positioned in AI for over a couple of years now, basically. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, just looking, I'm not trying to be greedy, looking for a 4 to 5x on my portfolio. Happy days, right? So that's kind of my plan with the HODL stuff. But as you make more money with trading, you get a little bit more rotational, and it's hard to decide what to buy in these times. Like when you buy Render at $3 and now it's at $8, $8.40. You're like, oh man, like, do I keep buying Render or do I just wait? Right? It's the multiples start looking ugly, right? So it's not easy, but you know there are some winners out there. How many leverage if I have a small account at margin? So leverage is a tool. You should always be risking the same amount, okay? Whether it's, let's say you're always risking $10, right? So if you use 75x leverage, 25x leverage, or 3x leverage, you should always be risking the same amount of dollars, okay? Leverage is a tool to either trade the same amount of $10 on other coins. So you're using the leverage, let's say you're using 50x leverage to trade $10 risk management on ETH and Solana, right? So you want to trade multiple coins. So you're freeing up margin with leverage to trade on multiple coins. The other reason why you're using leverage, 50x leverage, and why I use leverage is so I can keep $10,000 on an exchange, not $100,000, okay? So I can keep less on the exchange, right, and use it for my big account. I can use leverage to change this to mitigate the risk of exposure on an exchange. That is the only reason why you should be using leverage. Please, please, please. Okay? I always have a $10,000 account, and then I will have a top out account on a cold wallet or a hot wallet. So if I take 3 losses and this goes down to, let's say, $9,100, because that would be 3 losses, because I typically risk $300 per trade, okay, that I can take money from here and top up my account or I'll take money from here, from my profits, and put it into my storage, okay? And buy altcoins or whatever, right? So that's how I do it. And you guys can see here, I've taken an L on the weekend. So you can see here on my trading exchange here, and we can see balance is 94.49, right? So there's your balance, right? And that's how I do it. Just so you guys know, right? Transparency is key, right? But I don't want to keep 100 grand on the exchange. I started trading on FTX, and I'm not about to go and play with fire, okay? And that's how I do it. But that's what leverage is for. And make sure that you're always using it in the right way. Okay? Please, please, please. Please, please, please. What's going on, Father Time? Hi, my lovely people. Must announce that Mark Dutch. What's going on? Honor gang, gang, gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Haters are clowns who missed out. For the last 3 years, people hated on ARP. Now they cry XRP, I think he meant to say. Frank Pitbull. And why cry? I mean, those who have been holding XRP for like 7 years, man, shout out to you guys. You guys are incredible. I mean, that is called diamond. What do they call it? Diamond hands. So that's pretty incredible. Do you have to use a clog on you, Mark Touch? So I should be 100x in everything. No wonder I can't win anything. Let's go, Joe Bell, man. Mad love to you, bro. Mad love to you. Okay. Looking at this thing, flagging out. To me, this is just trapping people, man. Man, this is. Call your friend who's longing the top here. Go out there, call your friend who's longing the top, and tell him to get out of his trade. This is gonna do something like this. Okay, it's gonna shoot up, then it's gonna come down like this, boop, and it's gonna bounce here. And then it's going to give us the money maker, okay? That's the plan. There's the plan. What do you guys think? 1 for the plan, 2 for something else. VWAP flattening out, okay? Becoming so as VWAP, one thing with VWAP you'll notice is VWAP is typically coming down, right? Down, but when it flattens out, okay, so when it's coming down, right? But when it flattens out horizontally, typically becoming stronger. It's becoming more of a resistance. And what is it doing right now, right? So my opinion is getting a little bit stronger. We'll see. We'll see if we get the bounce we deserve, right? We all deserve the bounce. Oh, this is not looking too good. 15-minute rollover. VWAP crossover to the 0 line. Red money flow. Okay, this does not look good in my opinion. This looks like it's coming down. Bearish divergence in here on the short-term time frames. Okay. 1 minute time frame. You can see the bear div. Okay. This low has been put in here. A little bit of a battle going on right now. So a little bit of patience. Yeah, some order blocks down below, but we said revisit of previous highs. We could be looking for this as well for potential entry, but no trade as of yet. Okay, stalling out right now. We'll see. We do have a lot of resistance above us, so let's be patient. Let's see if price comes to us, and we'll take advantage of that. Shout out to everybody here. We got 95 likes, 240 people here. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. I greatly appreciate you. We do have, oh, look who it is. What's going on, Randy? What's going on, Randy? Mad love to you, Randy Hipper. Shout out to you. Everybody coming through. We had Trader Geo. We had Tom Crown. My God, Randy Hipper. Go and check out Randy Hipper. 17.6K. Let's go. Let's go. You will find no lady in the place more passionate about crypto than Randy Hipper. Go and check out her live stream. We can send you over to her live streams. If one of our traders, sometimes he goes live right after us, but maybe we'll send them over to you guys and utterly invade your channel. We'll see how it goes. Thank you for dropping by. Let's see some cookies in the chat for Randy Hipper. Put that cookie down. Mad love to you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful, wonderful day/weekend. Hopefully you got some turkey and everything is good on your side of the pond. I think if you look at Florida, I think you moved to Florida. I'm not 100% sure, but I can't unsee it. If you look at Florida, it does look like the Grinch's head. If you flip it upside, oh, that's rude. It looks like the Grinch's head upside down. I can't unsee it, man. I can't unsee it. Can you guys unsee this? I can't unsee this. This is Florida. This is Florida from the sky. Okay? Every time you see it on a map now, you're going to be like, Alex O'Crypto ruined me. He ruined me. It looks like the Grinch. Look at Florida. Look at Florida. I can't unsee this. I can't unsee it. Okay? Looks like Bitcoin's pushing, baby. Let's see. Flagging out. Flagging out. Can it continue? It does. It does look like the state of Florida. Look at the state of Florida. Invert it, right? It looks like the Grinch, man. Just saying. Just saying. Can't unsee it now, can you? You can't unsee it. You can't unsee it. Just in time for Christmas, man. Just in time for Christmas. Here's, one, Mr. Grinch. Let's go. Slam Banjo, got to go to work, man. Slam Banjo, you've been crushing the trades. Have a great day, man. Thank you for being part of the Otter family. We love you. Thank you for being here, Randy Hipper. Mad love to you. Walsh Jesse, throwing those cookies in the chat for you. How many percent's your stop loss? Typically we go with like a 30.3 to 0.5 stop loss, depending on the setup, right? Depends on the setup. And that determines how much margin we put on the trade as well. Okay. Look at the push up we're getting here. Okay. Sweep of the highs, back down. We'll see. No trade yet. I'd be looking for a short up in here. Not a long. Not a long. We'd be looking for shorts up here. A little bit of patience. A little bit of patience. Why is this not adjusting? Thank you. We got 20 minutes till market opens. Shout out to everybody in here. Mad love to all of you guys. Welcome to the Baby Otter, Marv. Mad love to you, man. Mad love to you. Welcome to the Otter gang. Mad love to every single one of you. TM, good morning to you. Good morning, everybody. Have a great day, says Crypto Focus. Mad love to you. Aaron, what's going on, man? He's just laughing at the Grinch. It does. It looks like the Grinch. Knocked out of my ETH trade last night. We did have a great trade on that Ethereum in the Discord. Pretty incredible. And obviously it has come back down, but we did have a nice trade set up on Ethereum. Look at that. Came all the way up in here. Oof. And we were looking for the breakout. We never got the breakout. We got the Dumperelli. Okay, so there's been some amazing trades. Even the Turbo trade has come back. Okay, we did take some profits on Turbo, but Turbo has come back and knocked us out as well. Okay, I'm still in the peanut trade. This is much lower. I put this down here, and I added to my position because it was such a small position. But we'll see if it does want to push back up. Not looking too good here on the peanut trade. We'll have to wait and find out. But we have had amazing trades, right? We have had so many good trades in comparison to that with the ETH trade, with the Celestia trades, with the Pepe trades. And the Discord has been on fire lately, absolutely crushing the charts. Shout out to everybody in there. We even got beautiful scalps by Thesis. Absolutely crushing the trades here with everybody. Incredible. The swing trades as well. Incredible. Kyle with the dot trades. Brewberry with the beautiful smart money concepts. He's been sick, but he's coming back. And then myself with a lot of TA as well on, we had a Sui trade. We had a Turbo trade. It's turbo time. So if you do want to join our Discord, it's Cyber Monday sale. It's the last sale until prices go up. Join the family. Would love to have you. Amazing, amazing value. $15 a month. Come over and hang out with us. Would love for you to join the gang. Mad love to all of you guys, man. We are always ready for a short and long segment. Alex, let's go be the panda. I'm always ready, man. I really want that tool hoodie. I can tell that it holds up through multiple washes pretty well, given Alex wears it every day. That is true. I mean, I got it at the concert a year ago. And you always got to flip it. The key with anything that's printed on is you got to turn it inside out, right? And that's, I think my wife does that because she does the laundry. Not that I don't do laundry. I would gladly do laundry. However, my wife is an absolute legend, right? Goat is looking super jersey. Look at Peak, please. Goldie, the traders in the VIP Discord, join now or cry later. That is the one. This is the promo right here, guys. Oh my God. All right. I'm just going to leave this here. This is it. I'm just going to leave this here. Okay? Join now or cry later. Goldie Crypto. I love it. Highly recommend the Discord. Says Trade Intuition, Cyber Monday to the moon. Let's go. Trade Intuition. Thank you so much, my man, for the $5 super chat. My man, go check out Trade Intuition, another fellow trader. I believe he goes live at 12 o'clock noon. Go and check out Trade Intuition. Mad love to you, bro. Thank you for the nice comment, Joe. Mad love, man. Solid save. I won't do laundry. Solid save. Yeah, Crypt. I mean, I did I'm an only child. I've done my laundry like since ever. Since I was able to stand at the washing machine. Oh, man. Randy Hipper in the chat, man. So many good people coming through here, man. Thank you guys so much for supporting the place. Jeanette, what's going on? Good to see you. Long-term member, Otter Gang family, Tony Soprano, Mark Dutch, Aaron, Joe Bell. Thank you guys. All the lurkers in the back there. All you guys over there and there and there. Thank you guys for being here. Bitcoin stalling out. We got market open in 15 minutes. Thank you guys for being here. We initially got long down here, but we got out because we were scared, okay? The honesty is the best policy. So always make sure that you are here because you will never be, we won't bullshit you. We're traders helping traders. That's what it's all about, man. That's what it's all about, right? We're a family. We're kind to each other. We all want to win. Having a community is an edge. Okay, so come over and hang out with us. The trades in the VIP Discord, join now or cry later. This is great. This is great. I love that. Okay, so VWAP. We haven't revisited VWAP on this whole downtrend. So is it just going to push down now, or shall we wait, right? That's the question. We do have market open soon. So let's go over and take a look at the S&P. The SPY, all-time highs, right? All-time highs continuing to push. Very, very bullish. Breakout, retest, continuation. Very, very aggressive uptrend here for the SPY, as you can see. So we could see a little cool down, but this looks hella bullish into our big zone that we are looking for a potential rejection, okay? The NASDAQ has looked strong today, okay? Continuing to push here in a little bit of a flag, but something I'm keeping my eyes on here. Showing strength, okay? Showing strength. We'll see how it goes. Did we get a gap over the... Looking at CME here for a gap. A little gap here we filled, so nothing. A little gap in here we filled, so No big CME gap to be filled besides the one down here, way down here. So we'll see if we do get there. I don't think we'll get there. I hope 85,000 holds. I don't see us coming much lower, and dominance coming out quite aggressively, right? So that rotation into odder things is definitely on its way. So we'll see how the S&P opens this morning as we come closer to market open. It was a half day on Friday. So maybe we gap down and then close up. We'll have to wait and find out. I'm just looking for Bitcoin to have a nice reaction here. The bias this morning is a retracement and a continuation up. Okay, for me, looking at this from like a bigger perspective, what we can see very simply looking at this, right? So we can see that price has clearly created liquidity, okay? We have put in a higher low, right? We do have divergence over here and a trigger wave over here. So bearish divergence, trigger wave, typically aggressive. We are looking for a bounce off of 93,000 for that continuation up here at our golden pocket. Will we get it? We'll have to wait and see. We do have a triple top over here, breaking down right now as we speak. So is this the measured move that we're looking for to come into our golden pocket? We'll have to see. We're not a pattern trader. We're just well aware of everybody who's trading patterns. Now, we are looking for 85,000 to hold. This is our key level to hold, right? Otherwise, we're looking for a continuation here, right? So can we come back down and bounce off of here and break through that psychological $100,000 level? By the way, join the VIP Discord. The trades are great, and join now or cry later. This got me this morning, man. This got me good. So continuation up, consolidation over the weekend, a last little hopium push, break a structure to the downside, looking for a continuation down here, okay? So we're looking for a lower high into a low or a higher low on a more of a higher term time frame, okay? So this would be our higher low from this one, but right now short term we're looking for that and then this, okay? And we'll see if we do get that. Just trying to play it as best as we can, okay? So now looking at this, we haven't come up to VWAP. We do have a very thick order block up top here. Now we could try to fill and then come back down. We'll see if we get it, but just a little bit of patience this morning will prevail. We were long off of the bottom here, but we closed it because we were a complete chicken shit, okay? Not because we were starting the stream, because we were complete chicken shit, okay? And it pushed up. We're flagging out. They're trapping longs right now, in my opinion. So people are longing up here. I would think they would do this before pushing. We'll see. So we're prepared. We have a plan. We're trying to execute the plan as best as we can while managing risk. That's what we do every single day. We are here Monday to Friday. We are doing Wednesday live streams this week and next week, okay? So Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Join us here every morning, crushing the charts. We were 4 for 4 last week and 4 for 5 the week before during our live streams. Okay, so we've been crushing it. I could say that we're 1 for 1 right now, but that would kind of be kind of bullshit, right? Like I closed it here. So I mean, we did take a win. We did make like a couple pennies. What was it? We made $34 after fees on that trade this morning. Okay? 30. Yeah, it was not a it was not even a trade, man. That was just some, I mean, that might be a lot of money to someone, so I don't want to offend anyone, right? So it was a little bit of a chicken poop for me. Okay? I got scared, okay? It's important to start your Mondays off with strength, okay? And I didn't. Everybody knows I'm old. Tony, I mean, you're still handsome, man. You're still handsome, bro. We love you, bro. I'm learning patience from you, Alex. Good. That's the number one thing I hopefully can help you guys develop, right? Like, why do we want to participate up in this shit, right? This is not where I want to trade, right? Where am I going to manage my risk? How am I going to manage this situation in here? There's no edge up here. You can draw a little flag. You can be like, okay, I'm going to buy the bottom of the flag. We're going to break up. And this will work until it doesn't. Where's your stop loss? Okay, where's your stop loss? You got to be so cheap here. It's ridiculous, okay? So trading is waiting, right? So we wait for this. We'll see how it reacts. Does it break down, right? Because you know the move's going to be aggressive. The move down was aggressive. The move down was aggressive. Okay, the move up was aggressive, okay? We know this market is volatile right now. So what do we want to do? We need to manage our risk. Because this happens. Okay? We want to capture this, but we don't want to have this happen to us over and over again, okay? That will be detrimental to your account, and we want to have longevity as traders, okay? We don't want to come in, say trading is bullshit. I took 5 trades, I got stopped out 3 times, and I got liquidated. That's not acceptable. Manage your risk. Live to trade another day. That is your number one goal as a new trader. Good morning to everybody. Make sure you guys are smashing those like buttons. Subscribe if you are new. We'd love to have you join us. Our Cyber Monday sale ends today. Okay. Goldie Crypto says the trade's in the VIP Discord. Join now or cry later. That's it. So we got market open coming here. We're waiting for a reaction on the S&P. We'll see how it goes, and then we'll go from there. Because right now we just wait, and we see. This is a tease, man. This is a tease. We can see the balloon dog pattern. I always talk about this pattern. So you got the tail, the leg, the body, the leg, the head, and the ear, right? You got your little snout here. This is a balloon dog pattern, I call it. It's a double bottom with a bull flag, okay? A double bottom with a bull flag. Balloon dog pattern, okay? This is not where you want to trade the balloon dog pattern. You want to get in on the leg, okay? We were on the leg, but we got out of the leg, okay? So now indecision, right? So let it tell us what it wants to do, right? We're not here to flip a coin, right? That's not my intention. You can see volume came in, absorption, no real absorption. You can see strength in this candle here. Okay, there's a bullish engulfing. Didn't even continue to push here, right? So, I mean, you could be like picking this apart, going like, "Oh, look at this! It's a flag. It's gonna do something." Okay, maybe it will. But that's, what are your probabilities, right? Like there's no structure here to justify a long or a short. Okay, if we had a swing failure pattern, right? If we had a very scam wickety wick, we could look for that, right? We see some exhaustion at the tops up here. Nothing as of yet, right? Nothing as of yet. We have our buy level here, standard deviation. Where's our support and resistance coming in? Yeah, so we're hitting resistance as we speak. Okay, we got support down below us here. So there's no man's land's in here. Resistance above us. So you got, if you're taking a trade from here, you got 0.5% move to big resistance. That's the way I'm looking at it too, right? So even if we got long here, you're definitely going to hit your head here somewhat, and then we'll see if it, and then that would be a nice bearish divergence, wouldn't it? On a higher term time frame too, probably bring us down to where the divergence started, which would be the low of the range. So we not really a beneficial area to trade. Okay, and I know it sucks for content, but we can talk through it, and hopefully you do this with yourself too, where you could talk through and be like, okay, where are we at? Always ask yourself when you come to the charts, where are we at? What has happened? Okay, and how can I build the narrative around that, right? To justify whether I put risk on or not, because every time you're taking a trade, you're putting on risk. Therefore, you should stay risk off until you understand what you're putting risk on for, right? We don't want to be a victim of the market because we know the market will wreck us, right? So we want to be patient enough to understand that, hey, we were in an uptrend. We have since put in a lower low. We are looking for a more macro, higher term time frame, higher low down here, okay? But we have short-term broken structure to the downside. So right now I'm looking for a lower high to bring me down lower. Okay, that's where I'm at, right? So now from that idea, right, I can take this trade up to here. I can take this trade down to here. And I really want to get into this trade to take this all the way up. That's the idea, right? Now I'll use the shorter term time frames to position myself accordingly into those ideas, right? So I mark out my support and resistance, my order blocks, my golden pockets, my key areas where I have confluence to allow me to make better decisions, higher probable trades to allow me to make better trades, right? To put the edge in my corner where I'm taking a 70% possibility, a 70% possibility of winning, right? While managing risk so I can take multiple trades like this a day and make money. Okay, we're getting a push up here into our key level of resistance. Look, everybody's buying up this candle. Like, this is it, right? 5 minutes till market open. Get everybody gung-ho, excited. We're going to the moon. We just corrected quickly, and now we're going to 100,000. Let's go, right? It's gonna be, and it may do it, right? Like, that's the thing too, right? But for me, there's no reason why I'm jumping in on this. The trade was down here. I seen you guys take it. Good job. I took a little bit, not really, but I took it, and off we went, right? So we would be chilling up now a whole percent, you know, a little bit of trader's remorse, but we'll be all right. We'll be all right. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smashing those like buttons. Subscribe if you are new. We're well on our way to 5,000 subscribers. We're here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. trading the markets. We closed the trade way too early. Now we're waiting for another re-entry. We'll see if we do get it. Join us, Cyber Monday sale, the last sale before prices go up. Okay, you can get in now, and you'll forever be at that price point. Join now or forever hold your peace, if that's the right way to say that. And Goldie Crypto says, love the trades in the VIP Discord. Join now or cry later. That's going to be the slogan. It's got to be the slogan. Oh, man. So join us over there. $15 a month, man. It's the cost of a Starbucks and a bagel, maybe even half a bagel, okay? So come over and hang out. We'd love to have you over in our Discord. Amazing trade setups, amazing group of people. The Brett call was on fire. I mean, on fire. Brett, we had to wait for it, but we were ready. We were ready. And that Brett trade, I mean, absolute banger, baby. Let's go. For those who took the Brett trade, congratulations. For those who took the Pepe trades, congratulations. Amazing trade from down here, right? And a nice trade from out here. We didn't get to our target, but I mean, you still got 15%. My God. Currently underwater in the peanut trade. We'll see if this does want to bounce. Right now, not looking too good. Looking for an inverse head and shoulders. We do not win everything, but we are way more right than we are wrong. Okay. The dot trade as well from Kyle. Amazing dot trade. So he gave you this one down here. He gave you this one down here. Okay. Amazing trade setups. Amazing group. Live streams. All that goodness. Come and join us. We'd love to have you. We got a minute and a half till market opens. Let's see how price reacts here. We are pushing up into view up as we speak. Are we taking the short? Not yet. We want to see a nice reaction on price action right now. We'll see how it goes. We are pushing up. We are pushing. Shout out to the Otter gang, and you guys all being here and supporting the channel. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Make sure you guys are smashing those like buttons, subscribing if you are new. Thank you guys so much for being here. Join now or cry later is the new slogan. Mad love to everybody in here, man. Mad love to everyone in here. We got Trader Geo waiting for Alex of Crypto to tell me heads or tails so I can know which direction to shill on my stream. Let's go, bro. I guess we could send everybody over to you after we're done, man. I told Randy we might do it, but you're in line. I think Randy goes live later than you, so we could send them over to you. We got about half an hour. Market is opening here. Gio, you're the short master, right? We're both under 5'4", so we're both very talented at shorting the market, and this is looking juicy, man. This is looking juicy. We'll see how it reacts up in here. Okay, got a nice order block in here, nice VWAP. We'll see. Bearish divergence coming in quite hot right now. Might have to short this thing into the ground and break everybody's bullish hearts. Coming up into VWAP right now. We'll see how it reacts. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Make sure you go over and check out my boy, Trader Gio, and his channel, man. You will learn so much from this guy. An absolute incredible person and trader, man. Go check out 11.2, man. Look at you, bro. You're looking good. Crushing it, man. You'll learn some easy, watch his market cipher videos. You will learn something. I promise you that. I have learned something. It's always good to be a student, even to this day. You don't have the answers to everything. Go over and check out some Trader Gio if you do want to learn. Mad love to you, bro. Hope you're having a wonderful day. God bless, bro. He goes live in 5 minutes. He goes live 5 minutes before me. Oh, man. It's a tug of war now. Oh, man. I said I'd ladies first, Gio. So we got to send it to Randy. We'll send it to Gio tomorrow. But we said got to be a man of integrity. Got to be a man of integrity. I think that's the number one rule in the crypto space, man. If you're not a man of integrity, the space is bad enough, man. The space is bad enough with all these degenerate, shilling. There's 12-year-olds rugging people, man. So cautious. We want to have integrity and be transparent and as kind as possible. We want the industry to flourish. Therefore, our bags, we're early, so our bags will flourish, okay? But if we're not being good people, why is Larry Fink's grandma gonna have fun in our industry? If she's over here and she's like, Larry, you made me buy the top, Larry, and she's just upset. Welcome to Ethereum, grandma. She's like, Larry, why did you tell me to buy over here? It took all the way from July of 2024 all the way till now for it to come and break even. Why did you tell me to get into Ethereum? Bitcoin's going to the moon, guys. Now we have buying regret. Look at this thing. It's flying, baby. It's flying. Bitcoin to the moon. Shout out to you guys, man. Look at this thing ripping to the upside. A massive move here for Bitcoin. Wall Street coming in and buying it up, baby. Look at this thing rip, man. Shout out to you guys who are in the long. We'll see if we can take advantage of this. Look at the S&P. The S&P is pretty flat. The NASDAQ. Pretty flat as well. Double top. Pushing, though. We'll see if it does continue. S&P pretty flat. Bitcoin ripping. Okay, getting up into the zone here. An aggressive push through VWAP gives us an opportunity to look for a potential long, okay? Support and resistance flip. We are still very well aware that we could be getting short here. Let's see how price reacts. This is looking strong, my friends. Very, very strong. Bitcoin pushing to the upside, trying to get back all the gains it gave up here. Coming into a key level of resistance here, 96,500. We'll see if that continues to act as resistance as well. We could be looking for the retrace back into VWAP. We'll see how it reacts here. Strong push for Bitcoin. My God, another percent back up. My God. Should have held that trade, right? Should have held that trade. Trading is waiting. Now I know what you're thinking. Man, Alex, we should have gotten long here, man. We missed the trade. That's okay. There's lots of trades, man. There's lots of trades to have. It's about the probabilities, right? For me, okay. Coming into resistance right now. Bitcoin ripping to the upside. Shout out to you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Mad love to all of you guys. Long and strong and down to get the friction on, says Frank, Fit for Life Crypto. Mad love, brother. I love when my VPN dies exactly at market open when I find two setups. Eesh. Yeah, that's a hard one, man. It's about time I'm on the right side of the trade. Congratulations, Joe Bell. Look at that resistance level coming into play already. Look at that. Don't say these levels don't work. It may not hold, but it does work initially, right? So for take profits, support and resistance, very, very effective. This is looking strong, though. Very, very strong. Bitcoin pushing up. We got bottoming structure in here, putting a big push into the market this morning, up almost 2%. Shout out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. We got 250 people on the live stream, man. My God. My God. Thank you guys so much for being here. We are going to redirect to Randy Hipper. Randy Hipper. We're still looking for that trade. We're going to find it. We're going to find it. Little rejection here from our resistance level. My God. Everybody who pressed buy is upset because it's wrecking them now. Okay, resistance. I'm looking for a retest back in here. For VWAP, we'll see if we get VWAP retest. Coming into VWAP. 96.103. 96.103, will we get it? Will we get 96.103? 96.103, looking there. $96.103, you're going to give it to us? VWAP retest continuation. People buying the top here. People buying the top. Key resistance, remember, it's red. It's not white. It's red. It's a key resistance. Coming back, looking for the VWAP retest. Can we get it? Can we get it? Looking to get long here. Cheap stop loss. All right, let's see. Let's take a stab. I don't see why not. Let's take a stab. Okay, gonna get long here. I'm gonna get long here. I'm gonna go just below this low in here. Stop loss 95,850. 95,850. Come on, Bitcoin, push, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Push it. Push it. I like that. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Where are our targets? Where are our targets, guys? We gotta know where our targets are. If we are pushing up here. Seems like we are. Seems like we are. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Push, baby. Now we got established lows. Let's swing low to swing high. Okay, we got golden pocket coming in at 96. With the liquidity up at these highs here, this is going to be a key level of resistance. If we keep pushing up here, 96,900 is going to be very critical resistance. We got liquidity in the high up in here too. Okay? Push, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 96. 96. 666. Devil's number. We're going to take half off if we get there. If we get there. 96, 6666. First take profit. Up in here. We'll see if we get there. Come on, Bitcoin, push. A little bit more. We got key resistance in front of us here. We'd like to see this flipped. We'd like to see us get above here and push. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. You can do it. Push. Let's go. Let's go. Remember, we didn't do this last week. We didn't note where our full retracement level was. I see strength still. Volume coming in. Volume coming in at these lows here. That's strength. There's strength in here. Come on, Bitcoin, baby. Beautiful VWAP retest. You can go. You can go if you want to. You can leave your man behind. And if you don't know, then you don't go. You could be no friend of mine. You can go if you want to. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Mad love to every single one of you guys. This chart is a mess. Thank you so much, Eric Grossar, for being here. Mad love to you, bro. Hope you're doing well, man. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Push, 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 push. Push, push, push. A little bit more. Never heard anyone call it Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Push it. Push it to the limit. A little bit more. Get through this resistance. We're good to go. Okay. Okay, come on. Come on. Don't be a dick for a tick. I'm going to take a little bit off. Let's see if we can take a little bit off here. Okay, took a little bit off. Stop loss to entry. I ain't going to fight it all day. I ain't going to fight it. A quick little scalp here. Quick little scalp. $100. $100 closed it right now. Quick little $100. Quick little $100. We'll see if it does continue to push. Okay. We'll see if it does continue to push. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Mad love to every single one of you guys. I put on a half a position size here because, you know, for me, this was more of a risky trade. We're looking for continuation. Okay. Stop loss is at entry now. We'll see if it does continue to the upside. GG's on your gain. If you are in the long, make sure you guys are paying yourselves. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. OG's in the chat. OG's in the chat. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Big corn coming back at us. Coming back at us. Will it stop us? That we'll have to wait and see. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you guys, man. You guys are so incredible. We have a Black Friday / Cyber Monday sale coming at you hard. Okay, so make sure you guys are joining us in the Discord. We'd love to have you. Where's our time frame? Hopefully this continues to push. Stop losses at entry. Risk-free trade. Living the dream. Are we supposed to share our MEXC trading screen? I mean, I don't mind. I don't mind. We'll see how it goes. Continue to push, Bitcoin. Push, baby, push. Look at it go. Look at it go. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's Kurt Cobain. Look at this. I would have hit our take profit a little bit more. Patience would have prevailed, but that's okay. We want to guarantee some profit. We'll see if we do come up to 96,900. That's going to be a critical resistance for this push up here. So let's see if we do come in here and get a little bit of a rejection after something like this. Pretty aggressive move up. Okay. Pretty aggressive move up. So now that we have had that bottoming structure here, breakout flag, that's your typical dog pattern, your push up. Okay. So do we get a rejection from here only to come back and then go? We'll have to wait and see. But this is looking very, very nice. Coming back here, very aggressive uptrend. We can track this uptrend here with momentum. Don't have to really close out your trade until we break this momentum to the upside. Shout out to you guys who got into the long. We rip it to the upside. Mad love to all of you guys, man. Woo! Let's go, Bitcoin. 96,900. 96,9. Let's go 8. Let's go 888. And take off another 50% off of this thing. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. 88888. Come on, baby, push it. Push it. Let's go, Bitcoin. Look at this thing. Push, man. This is incredible. Mad love to every single one of you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Join us. We got a Cyber Monday sale coming at you hot and ready in the Discord where you get trade setups like this on Brett. Okay? Amazing, amazing, amazing group of otters, man. Utterly fantastic. The only rules being don't be a douche canoe. And be kind, okay? Be kind. We would like for you to be kind, man. Kindness is rare, like Mr. Clean with hair, okay? So come over and hang out. $15 a month. $15 a month. This is a locked-in price. It's the last opportunity you will ever get, ever, okay? So come and join us, Cyber Monday sale. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're in the long. We'll see if it does continue to push here. Next take profit coming in, front running this a little bit here. We'll see. We actually just got, we didn't get filled properly here on our wick. This is actually a little bit of BS here. So we'll see if we do come up here and get filled. But we making money. We making money. That's it, right? I mean, don't forget to pay yourselves and join us. We're here live Monday to Friday to 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Is it 10 a.m. yet? I feel like I'm on fire, man. This has been a great day. A little bit of patience, but we manage risk, okay? And that's what is important here, is that we're managing risk. We're managing our position. Can it push up? Our take profit's literally just above here. Hopefully it does continue to push. A big bullish push to the upside. Mad love to everyone. Where was the entry? I missed it. So the entry was on the retest of VWAP. So it was in here. And sometimes you got to front run it a little bit, but it was that push up into resistance. Okay. The key resistance we had marked out on our chart. That's why I use those support and resistance levels. There it is. Next take profit has been hit. Boom. Let's go. 2 take profits. Congratulations on you guys. Mad love to the Otter gang. So what happened here was we weren't going to take the 50-50 trade this morning. We weren't going to take the flag that could roll over, okay? So we got the aggressive push up into market open. We came into a key level of resistance, as we can see here. Yeah, we have marked out on our chart, okay? Why is there a green line here as well? Okay? It came up, it hit it, and it quit it, right? So as it hit it, we were looking for, whenever there's an aggressive move through VWAP, this is one of my strategies. We look for the retest and continuation, but it has to be aggressive. Okay, it has to be. If it's not aggressive, it can stall out here and then roll over. Okay, but this was aggressive. It came back. We got long on this dip, and we took advantage of the price that way. Okay, so that was the trade setup this morning, and seems to have played out quite nicely. Ooh-wee. Come on, Bitcoin. Keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing. We knew this is going to be a sticky level up in here, so. I'm going to move my stop loss up here now. If we come back, that's fine. There's always another trade, baby. There's always another trade. My God, crushing it today. Crushing it today. Crushing it with you guys. We got a super chat or something. Did I miss it? No. Thank you guys for the super chat. I gave away a bunch of memberships. Hopefully you guys got some. So did RS Miller. Thank you so much. Mark Dutch, member for 6 months. Thank you, bro. Marv Have, thank you for being here. Highly recommend the Discord, Cyber Monday. Mad love to you guys, man. Thank you guys for supporting the gang, the channel. I appreciate you guys. And thank you guys for being here. We're going to send you over to Randy Hipper. My God. What is the primary value membership? Signals, copy trading, etc. Yeah. So we do live streams. We do signals. We have a schedule. We have signals by me, Kyle, Brewberry. So 4 traders. You get 4 traders all giving signals. Watch the video first, okay? I look pasty as F. I'm not an advertisement guy. I'm a carpenter, by the way. Is the volume even working? I don't think so. Watch the video. That's all I got to say. But yeah, an amazing community. So you will get trade setups. You will get trade ideas. We're a small knit community too. So, I mean, you're going to get more attention where you can be like, hey, man, what does your chart look like? Hey, man, you got this chart? Can you show me your chart? Right? And I'll be able to answer you. Even this morning, I woke up, chat with Alex, right? And I got questions here and say, hey, man, Sol and Sui levels, both are lagging. So look, I gave you my Sol levels. I gave you my Sui levels, hey, right away. So, I mean, you do get the attention I think you do deserve for a membership. And definitely here trying to help you guys. My annual payment cleared November 29th on December. I got an email saying you are canceled. Am I a member? You wouldn't be able to chat in here one way if you weren't a member. Mad love to you guys, man. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Look at this thing, trying to push up here. So coming back, support and resistance flip, as we can see. So this is another opportunity to potentially get long right here, right? So you could, because we have a key level of support and resistance, VWAP below us here. So is this going to hold? Maybe. But the thing is that you can be pretty cheap here. You do know that you do have big resistance in front of us up here, right? So you got to be targeting much higher. Point of control of the previous range up in here. So after this, a lot of liquidity, right? Definitely coming back for this order block is on the table, right? The lows in here. So I'd be patient right now. No trade. If you're looking for anything, it's retested the VWAP here. I'm gonna get stopped out of my trade here, but that's why we take profits, right? That's why we take profits and enjoy those profits. So we can look for another long entry here on VWAP. We'll see if we get it. Big short coming in here at 96,900. Key resistance, right? We have liquidity in the high over here. We have a golden pocket. This is definitely going to act as a level of resistance. Okay, so let's be cautious here. That's enough out of me. We got a winning trade today. Crushing it as per usual. Come and join us in the Discord. We'd love to have you guys. Mad love to every single one of you guys. That's enough out of me. Oh my God, what a day! What a day! So Cyber Monday deal. It's the last day. I might go live later on this evening, but you know we crushed it every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Join us, subscribe. We'd love to see you here again. Last chance for that deal. We're gonna send you over to Randy Hipper. We'd love for you guys to go and support her and her channel. So just hold on, and this will send you over there. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me and helping me support you. I will see you guys later in the Discord today at 12:15. Looking forward to that. Mad love, and I will see you guys later. Take care. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. know about juice? Making them moves that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Rapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me,